Hello, my name is Michelle Naffziger-Hirsch, and I and the other contributors on this project are all affiliated with Oakton Community College in Des Plaines, Illinois, which is a suburb of Chicago. We are currently in the fourth year of our STEM grant, and we recently welcomed our third cohort to campus. We would like to thank the NSF and Oakton for their generous funding that makes our work possible.
Hi, I'm Susie Ziegenhorn. I'm the PI on this grant, and we used our STEM grant to develop a program that we've called the STEM Scholars Program, and it's a multi-component program with all of the different pieces pictured in this slide. One of the best practices that we developed as a part of this program is that we hold monthly cross-departmental reviews of our individual students where we can check in on their progress. And we think that this piece of the program is one of the reasons that we see such amazing persistence trends as noted in this slide.
While we did not address this on the previous slide, we did want to share that this program seems to be attracting Latinx and Hispanic students to STEM, and as a result, we think we're seeing an increased diversification of the STEM student population at the college. So the financial support and the unified holistic support services we're providing, it seems that they are helping to identify problems before they get in the way of students persisting. This kind of resource-intensive support is not easily scalable, but, and we'll talk about this on the next slide, we have identified some of these barriers, and in a few cases we've even been able to help address them. We need to do some more work investigating which aspects of the program are having the biggest impact in terms of persistence. One area we're investigating is student experience as they're using the resources and that they're being provided. In this student quote, a student told us that being part of this program was almost as if they were going to a different college. So it's a different experience that we are providing to our STEM scholars. There are gaps as we move forward. One of the gaps that we were able to address, for instance, is that initially the timing of financial aid did not align with the program's student selection process. This is something that we were able to bring to administrators and our financial aid team, and we were able to shorten that timeline. Financial aid eligibility depends on both student financial status but also academic progress. We do know that as we're running our analyses, we need to refine our control group so that it includes other students receiving financial aid, so that's in progress. Some other gaps include that intrusive advising and the cross-departmental review of individual students we talked about before. It may not be scalable, and so that's something that we want to keep thinking about. And advising is even more difficult as the courses available may not be based solely on student-centered needs. And this final barrier is one we've also been able to make some headway on. Initially, there was no institutional process or procedure to compensate STEM scholars for off-campus internships. We have identified this need and advocated on our students' behalf, and it seems that we have been able to solve this problem. We'd like to thank you so much for your attention, and we look forward to any questions that you have.